top is frozen. I just tried to open it. So let's try a little trick. Warm. It's not freezing. It's from inside. This might thaw it out a bit. It's cold out here. It was like 19 degrees last night. 19 Fahrenheit. And inside the cargo trailer cabin, it was kind of toasty. I had the furnace going, the little buddy heater, and I hooked up one of those big, what's that, 20-pound tank. But there's a real frost. Let's see if this works. There we go. Yep. Goodbye. This is the 1/2-inch mesh reinforced, I think is what they call it, tubing that I got for, this will hook up to my water pump. This is my sharp knife too. All right, got another idea. I wasn't even gonna build a shed, but when I got here, I realized I need a shed because I gotta live out of the cargo trailer. And I need a place to put things, have a shower shed, have a little composting toilet in there. Okay, let's try it. That's a lot better. There you go. Is that working? All right, next day, and I went to the store to pick up a bunch of supplies. So I've got mortar, a wheelbarrow, a shower pan, more lumber, wire mesh, and a big rug back there, some other things. Yesterday I was working in haste, and unfortunately this is out of plumb. Plumb is when it's level up and down. If you're wondering what plumb is, this is plumb, and that's not plumb. And it's an entire, let's see here, it's about an inch off. It's about an inch right there. So I figured that it's up top. I gotta cut those nails because they won't come out. Right there and right there. Take that top 2x4, 10-foot 2x4 off. And this down here and reframe this. This over here is good, but I gotta reframe this over here. So I got that front sheet on there, and now I'm gonna cut it. I pushed it over so it's nice and flush. Straightened out some of that bubble problem. It was leaning this way. So it's nice and flush there. Now I'm gonna cut it. And because I'm doing it myself, I can cut it the way I want to. Don't judge me. Because I bought a new one. I bought one of these big old demolition blades. Timber! Yeah, I'm gonna pre-mark where the studs are on the bottom. Well, this is the end of the first week of being here on the land. 5 o'clock a week ago, I rolled in and it started to snow. So if you watched the first video, then you saw that. But yeah, it's quite the adventure. I still haven't been able to get the shower together, but I wash off with soap and a rag. And I took one shower on Sunday at my family's get together. So yeah, what you saw today was pretty good progress. Got a lot of that done out here in northern Arizona. Well, forgive me for not showing you all the details, but I got it all hooked up. Here's my water pump. I got this on Amazon. Here's my power to my DC batteries. I spliced it. I went to Radio Shack and picked up parts. Here's the hose, and it actually works. So I'm gonna pour this back into here. A bit of dust, sand. And then put the hose in there. And then put this together. Water's pumping through. It really comes out really strong. I'm gonna check my leak over here. I have a little leak because I'm using a hose instead of the right. I need to get some of this 3/4 inch. But this will work for a shower tonight. Yes. Oh, I'm so happy.